I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out Replika AI. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your Replika AI app first. Type in Replika, and at the top you can see the option of Replika. Just go ahead and tap here. Since you're trying to zoom in and out, this should be a really short video since it's really easy. All you need to do is just pinch your screen in the opposite direction like this, or zoom it in. Now you can see the option. Just do it like this. As you can see, I'm zoomed in, and in order to zoom out, just do this. You can also make your friend move by tapping on a location where you want them to move, and there you go. It's zoomed out. Zoom it in like this, like how you normally would zoom in games or just normal screen, and zoom out by pinching it. So there you go. That's how you zoom in and out in Replika AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.